Hello guys. Today this ain't the ordinary area ordinary Linux and other ordinary Visual Code video. I also make Scratch video as well. So if you said since when you do this, I decided might as well change up a little bit. If you see the terminal, if you see a terminal, that means I'm making Scratch videos. If you just have normal, if you just see the my background, that means I'm literally just making VS Code, and teaching you stuff. You know. So now, first thing first, open up Chromebook. Yay! And for you wanna type in Scratch MIT. Whoops, wrong button. Or I can just go to the tab. Start being smarty pants. But it will be a smarty pants anyway. So, whatever. So, new project. Let's ignore this. Okay. I got this. So basically, this the YouTube tutorial, and it's going to be short. It's not gonna consume the entire time. So first thing first, you wanna just you want to you wanna learn how to literally learn how to move. Simple. But you wanna make a cool version, but it's whatever. Boom. You first got this, then the next costume. Next costume. Wait a minute. Silly me, bro. I'm not, bro. You're not screwed. Whatever. Might as well. So first thing first. Okay. Enough wasting your time. All right. So basically, you want to move from this one, this kind of code. No. Forever. I'm gonna add a movement code. Few minutes. I'm gonna have movement code. Literally. I finished building the movement code. Literally. I just like to add the extra steps. I'm this kind of guy, but so basically though, instead of stop using this block. Like seriously, stop using this block, cause this one is just less efficient. It just feels like you're literally risky. Boom. Actually, stop using it. This is actually trash. Not gonna lie. I'll show you. I'm cook up. Where is? Alright. So remember. Repeat block. Boom. Bam. Repeat 10. Then. Okay. Negative. If a person repeat. And change like and 20 negative. Boom. Alright, wrong one. Okay. Oh, this positive 10 is supposed to be negative 10. There we go. This one I thought, it just feels less buttery smooth. But if you want buttery smooth, then stop using this one. Get that out of here. So now, here's a better way to literally just here is a better way to make to make make the jump buttery smooth. Literally. The first thing first, you want to go to events, but I'm gonna use a little with extra steps. Don't mind me, but it's whatever. So when green flag clicked, create my block called J called jump JUMP jump. Then I assigned it to use make a block. Defined block. So now once you have this is working. Okay, we tested it. Now time to go buttery smooth. Okay. Cute. So basically, first thing first, you want to add forever block. Cause why not? Then you wanna just offer. Then you wanna add if or else statements. Boom. But you don't have to add the or statements. That's just like extra steps. You can just simply just boop and be like boop, but you don't have to, so it's whatever. So now up arrow or A or W key. You'll find it. Where is it? Boom. So now you place this, and we're chilling. You don't have to add or statements. You can simply do this. You can simply do this. Like it'll come like boom, bam, bada bop, boo, pow, done. So now, what? Alright. So now, if key is pressed, then you want to change Y. If key is pressed to Y by positive.
Oh boy.
So W key. What a W. See that? When you press up key, it just stop. It basically the player jumped, but it didn't fall down. So you wanna add negative. Boom. Just like positive and negative. Positive doesn't like negative, and negative doesn't like positive. Mix them together, creating a literal floor. Creating collision. So yeah, that's the whole goal. So now you wanna just there it is. So now you wanna just find Y and just change to negative. See that? It fall down. It literally fall down. Literally. But if you press up, see that? You have officially jumped. So basically, yeah. But you may be asking, why just to where? Why you need the negative anyways? Great question. So you go to backdrops, or you can just use this, right? So you can just, but I'm just gonna use this. I'm out too lazy to just create one myself. So boom. Blue sky is actually cool. Okay, I'm gonna add it. Boom. The reason why this scratch is falling is because we didn't add collisions yet, so it's simple. So y'all, you need to go to just you go first. You go to events, then you go to if, then you go drag down if, and then finally is if you're thinking touching key, the mouse key, touching mouse, that's a totally different topic. What are you thinking about? By thinking something else? Very cool. So now you just wanna drag touching color, and finally just click on it, and just click on this, click the floor, and that's it. Click the floor. Since negative, this negative already down. Yeah, but see that? It's basically buttery smooth. I will show you the difference in editing, but it's whatever. So now, so now you want to go back to emotions, and finally, just add positive. You see what happens? What happened now? Boom! Boom! They've officially added jump. Buttery smooth. Just don't tell. Just buttery smooth. What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it?
Ah!
Alright, Arrow.
Oh, this being a silly Billy. Bruh.
Oh, no wonder why it's AK rough. Let me fix it a little bit. Well,
Get revenge.
D key. D. Boom. D. AK. Now the arrow key is feeling right. Left, right, left, right, left, right. See that? Yeah, see that? It's way more smoother. See the difference? Way more smoother. Define jump key. By the way, I did it from scratch. I did this instead of just see what better. Which one? All right, I'm gonna pause it a little bit and see which one is better. Literally.
Yeah, look at me.
So now, do I add boom?
Yeah,
When sprite? No, not when sprite. Click
go ahead.
on spaces. Spaces key pressed. Okay. Where when curious press. I will keep upgrading this because I need to learn how to just learn how to stop this. But for now, just don't tell players you can just double jump. You can just go like stuff right now. I kind of prefer this, but it's whatever.
Okay.
If you're building small games, then it's good for beginners. Simple, but you just teleporting. But if you're building medium games, then you will have to learn about this one. Understand the fundamentals of what I just built. And that's basically everything. Here's the difference in editing style. Boom, bam, bada, bop, boom. And basically, now that you know everything, now you can just click off the video now. I'm good. Ignore everything. I'm gonna cancel that one. Okay. Now what? Wait a minute, still watching? Not this again. Treat me like a okay, pause. Good. Anyway, so since you want to give an ending, I'll give